Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into HBO Max. For that, just open your source browser. There you need to type sbomax.com and go to their official website, and now you need to tap on your subscribe now button. Now you'll have to choose subscription plan, monthly or yearly. It is recommended to choose yearly plan because it have more discounts than monthly, and you will also need to choose between standard or premium. Then tap on continue button. After selecting your plan, there you have to enter your Gmail ID, and you'll have to verify it from your email, and then you have to enter your full name, and after that it will ask you to select payment method. And after you select your payment method, you need to enter all the details, and after that you need to tap on pay now button, and that is how you can sign up into your HBO Max app and then start streaming. And after that you can stream freely. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.